I have no idea at what point the phone cut off. Uh, but what I was basically saying is, if you want to have a more classic look, although it may be a turn off to some it just may look like you take pride in yourself. So it really depends on the person, um, what length you are. This is kind of a bold choice. It's animal print, but I like animal prints. Um, and I'm satisfied with them. I think they're cute. Um, a little classy length. Um, I need some oil on my hands, so don't judge me. Because they are pretty dry. But again, if you have an event you want to go to, um, again, it's not really necessary. Of course, you don't have to do this, right? Um, you could just go with your nails the way that they grow out of your hand and be done with it. Um, but I like to change things up a little bit sometimes. So, again, I like them. Um, maybe I'll keep them on for 2 weeks. Maybe I won't. We shall see. But it just gives you a different look, right? All right, y'all. I hope that this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.